Every color person ain't dumb, and all white's not racist. I be judging by the mind and heart, I ain't really in the face. Bigger than black and white. It's a problem with the whole way of life. It can't change overnight, but we gotta start somewhere.
What's up, sweeties? It's TeeElle, and I'm back with another one. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Come on and join the fun.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth. I'm always left and center, and that's right where I belong. I'm the random man, and don't you hear it? Major song, and I like that.
Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, I am back with another Dollar Tree DIY project. And this one is not a Valentine's Day project. However, as you can see by the title, it is a Black History wreath that I'm going to make today. Notice I did not say Black History Month. Black History wreath, okay? So we're going to go ahead and get into it. In the comment section, say, hey T, so I can say hey to you back. After you hit the subscribe button, make sure you click the bell and select all so you're notified each and every time I post a video, because you don't want to miss nothing. All right. Oh, my remote's just sitting there all in the open. All right, let me get things together a little bit because it's looking real sloppy up here and I can't take it. Okay, let's put that there. Listen, if you got kids, you know you ain't gonna have the back to the remote unless you put some tape on it. And even still, you might not have the back to your remote. My location still don't have the styrofoam wreaths or just the regular, you know, round ones. So I got this one, but I'm going to have to take it apart so I can use what I need, okay? I spend an hour in Dollar Tree. Every time I go there, I spend like an hour in there. So, I actually have 2 other projects I'm going to record after this one. So y'all be seeing some DIYs back to back. I'm going to spoil y'all for a little bit. I'm going to give y'all a vlog after those projects, okay? And then maybe some cooking videos or something. I do have a DIY project where I'm going to bake something for y'all. That is a Valentine's Day project. So this is actually pretty dope because you kind of get more bang for your buck. If you just want to take all these off, you get 4 wreaths for $1.25. So there you go. All right, so I want to take a minute and show y'all my earrings. Super cute. Super cute. So these earrings actually did not come together. For this earring, I don't know what happened to the bottom green piece, but it's not nowhere to be found. And then I have 2 of these, but I thought it would be cute to just pair them together and match my style, match my swag. People still say swag. Pretty girl swag. Hey, pretty girl swag. Hey. All right, let's get started. I'm going to use my 2 little twist ties that I have here, and I'm going to use them to attach my bow to my wreath. All right, and there is your bow. And now we're going to go ahead and get started with our curly bows and start adding them to our wreath. Make your loop kind of big at first so you can fit your curly bows through. Then you can kind of pull and tighten it. Okay, so I have my first red. I'm going to go ahead with my gold, yellow gold, yellow gold. And next my green. To help it stay together more, I'm actually going to take one of the reds and yellows and tie them together. And I'm going to do it like that around the entire wreath. Now I'm going to go in with my black. Alright, sweeties, so I had an issue with, and I took the bow off. I had an issue with my curly bows sliding. So let me show y'all what I did. Honey, it's been a time with this wreath because I ended up cutting it, like breaking the wire, like this, because I just think that I want to go with a different look, and because I don't have enough curly bows. So I went in my Christmas bin and got me some of this garland that I found in there. I didn't see any red. I have like a red and gold one, which I would like, but it's starting to break. So I did break this, and now I'm thinking if I like the curls at the top or at the bottom. So I'm just trying to think what I want to do right now. But I do know I don't have enough bows. So I can always shrink this wreath, but I don't want to do that. So what I think I'm going to do is test out, and that bow is getting on my nerves because it's just not looking like a bow anymore. So I think I want to test out this, but I don't want it to be overkill. So let me just wrap a little bit of it to see what it looks like. Okay, so that would be the vibe right there. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my wreath back together. I'm gonna leave it stuck there for a minute. Yeah, so if you're looking for one of those channels that just go through the project, I do run into problems when I do some DIY projects. So yeah, that was an issue. I didn't have enough bows and they were sliding. So I put the first one through that hole, and I used my little twisty ties from my treat bags that I saved from that other DIY project. Remember that? Told you to save them because you might need them again. So I did use that to twist on this red one. And then I just made them all tied together so they can, that red one is the support system for all the curly bows on the wreath, okay? All right, so that's back together. I'm actually gonna take a twist tie and start my garland up here near my red and still hot glue, just to make sure it's more secure. want to cut my garland yet because I'm just going to go back to the other side with it. Just want to twist tie it, and I haven't glued any of this except the beginning. All right, sweeties, so I'm going to take apart this white ribbon and use it as my hook for my wreath. And then that's a done deal. This, every time I start a project, not every single time, but a lot of times when I start a project, I ended up changing the look of it, like while I'm doing the project. And I don't know, I just thought that I would have the curly bows going around the entire wreath. But listen, everything's for a reason, and I really actually do like this a lot. I left off the black bow because it was giving Christmas vibes, and this is not that. This is a Black History wreath. And it still gives off Christmas vibes to me a tiny bit until I look at my earring. And I'm like, no, this is a Black History wreath. Now, I did want to get like some type of Black History board or something to go like in the middle of it, or some more Black History, like African prints and stuff like that. But my Dollar Tree's truck don't come until Saturday, and I really wanted to do this wreath. So if she wasn't even sure if they were getting Black History decor pieces in, so I wasn't gonna wait on that. But I can always go back and add to this. For now, I do love it. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck this in between these curly bows. I'm just gonna knot it. Thank y'all so much for tuning in to LifeAsTeeElle. Give this video a fat thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell so you're notified each and every time I post a video. And I'll see y'all on the next DIY project, vlog, cooking video, whatever. This is a lifestyle channel, so you're gonna get it all. Have a good one. See y'all on the next one. Peace.
Cause I'm crazy and I'm sexy and I'm cool. Gotta rub around the edges, but I keep it smooth.